So here we go. We're on gold. I used to trade gold a lot, but gold started wigging out on me as well. But I used to trade gold a lot. And if we start at the daily, it's ugly. The daily is ugly. I couldn't tell you what's going on. The weekly, I'm sorry. The weekly is ugly. I could not tell you what's going on here, but it looks a little more clear on the daily. So, honestly, for me, on the daily, if I wanted to be a pure, safe trader, like sit on your hands till there's no return, I would wait for structure, for price to break below this level here, or for price to break below this level here and continue bullish. I would totally wait for that. But if you want to trade within this weekly range, or should I say this daily range that we're in right now, and then I would see that we did break structure, we did break this level here. If you want to use that as a swing low, and then we became bullish, and then we created highs, but now we're breaking those highs. So if you want to get into a trade here, this is the level, your area of interest that you would want to see a trade, and take a trade at. And you have some things lining up with it. As you can see, we have the daily EMA, we have a level right here. I'm gonna go all the way down to the 6 hour, and even the 6 hour is saying the same thing. So if I were to take a trade here, once again, it's all about the shift of momentum. So once again, I would wait for momentum to shift, and that will probably have you come more down into this level, this area of interest. Wait for momentum to shift, because right now you have a lot of bearish momentum. I will wait for momentum to shift before I go back up, take this bullish ride. And let's go into the 4 hour. Yeah, so once it's lining up very well, even on the 4 hour, it looks good with the EMA still there, the level still here. It's lining up very well. So I would definitely just wait for momentum to shift. Either have more smaller bearish candles with more wicks, or should I say in conjunction with a bullish engulfing candle to ride it up. Or you can go down to like the 1 hour or 2 hour and just completely wait for price to shift with it creating new higher highs and bullish structure, and then hop in on a retest. So that's gold right there. So let's keep it going.